All right, so as you can see, um, I was trying to um, take the stem of my fruit trees or fruit plants and propagate them through stem cutting. So this is done now. I made one of them. You can see this is a mulberry tree, and just like I showed, these are things you can help to root them: cinnamon, honey, or rooting hormone. It doesn't matter which one, but so yeah, cinnamon, honey, rooting hormones have things in them that really help them, help these cuttings to have root faster. Um, is helps with the you know with those cuttings. If you want a high success rate, then you can use those. It's really good. Okay. All right. So took the pot. Pot had some compost, just like that, compost, and pretty much on the compost I planted it. Those cuttings. I use a grafting knife. It's called a grafting knife. You see, it's very sharp and very good knife to get. You see how it looks. It's very sharp and it's very good to have, because with that grafting knife you can cut the stems. You can take the cambium layer. Take the outer layer out to expose the cambium layer. Things like that you can do. Anyway, so once you cut them, I have about 10 inches long, and I put 2 or 3 inches deep into the media. So I have 3 inches deep in there, and then I put this Ziploc bag and tied it with a string. And since this that compost I put water and mixed it is wet, it is enough wetness. You see, it's enough wetness. This will last 10 weeks, and it will take about 10 weeks, what, 2 months or so, just over 2 months or so, for them to root. So you just keep them. You don't have to water, nothing. Just keep them like this. Becomes a greenhouse. The moisture goes up from the media, hits the plastic, goes back in. So it recycles the same moisture again and again, and that's how it doesn't dry out. It stays in there, and that's why it's good to have this Ziploc bag on it. Okay, so that's how it is. Pretty simple, but it's very fun to do it. Once you see them root, it's so much fun. All right. So I'm going to do the same with my grape. So grape and mulberry are very easy, some of the most easiest to do. All right.